So guys, for the first step, you're gonna head up with search and type in disk cleanup. Click on it, and now this will come up. You want to select your Windows drive. It's most likely going to be your C drive, and then click on OK. And now we're going to be on this. And now once you're on this, you're going to click on clean up system files. And then select your Windows drive again. For me, it's going to be my C drive, and then click on OK. And now once you're on this, you're going to tick Windows Update Cleanup. You're going to tick this, and you're going to tick Windows Upgrade Log Files, and you're going to tick Temporary Files as well. We're going to scroll down, and then tick Temporary Files. And for the last one, you want to tick Previous Windows Installations. I don't have it on my computer, but in your case, you want to tick Previous Windows Installations. You should have that as well. Then when you tick all of that, you want to click on OK. And then click on Delete Files. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then that's how you do it.